Are you looking for ways to support a family member with a disability while protecting their access to benefits? An ABLE account could be the perfect solution. Today, let's explore how ABLE accounts work and how they can help your loved one. I'm Anna Burr with Burr Law. If you want to learn about tools to support disabled family members, make sure to subscribe for more planning insights. An ABLE account, which stands for Achieving a Better Life Experience account, is a tax-advantaged savings account designed specifically for individuals with disabilities. Here's what you need to know about using one. ABLE accounts allow individuals with disabilities to save money without jeopardizing their eligibility for government benefits like Medicaid or supplemental security income. Funds in the account grow tax-free and can be used for qualified expenses. To qualify, the account holder must have a disability that began before the age of 26. They also need to meet Social Security's definition of disability or have a doctor's certification. ABLE accounts can cover a wide range of expenses, including housing, education, healthcare, transportation, and other costs to improve quality of life. Contributions to an ABLE account are limited to $18,000 per year as of 2024. However, if the account holder is employed, they may be able to contribute additional earnings up to a certain limit. As long as the account balance stays below $100,000, SSI benefits remain unaffected. For Medicaid, there's no maximum account balance limit, making ABLE accounts an excellent way to save without risking coverage. The account can be managed by the individual with the disability or a designated person, such as a parent, guardian, or power of attorney. An ABLE account can be a game changer for families supporting a disabled loved one, offering both flexibility and financial security. If you'd like to learn more about setting up an ABLE account or integrating it into an estate plan, contact us at Burr Law. For more tips on planning for loved ones with disabilities, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.